Hello guys, I hope you can see my stream well. Let's test the audio again because I started a stream earlier but the audio wasn't working. Let's check the audio again once more. Live trading. Okay, let's see. Let's test the audio again because I started a stream earlier. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, welcome everybody to the stream. I started the stream very late. The macro has already begun. So what I'm trading is basically macro Po3. Basically what it means is it's a model that real trader Tim has created or found, and I've tested this model for a long time. And basically what we look for is a macro to open in the opposite direction of where we're trying to see the hard time frame going, basically manipulation, and then trade it in the other direction. So starting from today, I'll be pretty much streaming every day this year, and hopefully it will be a great year. And I'm starting a fresh 50k account with you guys on Trade08, just to make sure that we have everything documented together. And once we are taking a trade, it will be shown here on the top right. And I'll fix this camera position because I don't really like it. So I'll fix this camera position. Oops. So I'll fix this camera position at some time, but yeah. Maybe next stream everything will be better, but even the mic, I need to upgrade my mic and my camera. So I'll be working on this from going forward. But let's get into price action because we're pretty late. So what I'm looking for today is that we're looking for continuation lower. Basically, I want to see equilibrium of this range tapped here. And we have above equilibrium, we have a SIBI here on the 1 hour. You have this sell side imbalance, price side inefficiency here. Where's premium? All right, okay. So what I want to see is price to go up higher, take out these relative equal highs right below EQ, tap into the SIBI along with the EQ here at 24,908.50, and then we want to see market start to reverse there, from there, create this V-shaped reversal. That would be perfect today with a macro opening high, and we have relative equal lows right here with yesterday's opening range low, and it's right above this end dog, which is engineered sell side liquidity. So basically this is buy's footprint here. Okay, buy's footprint, leaving these lows above yesterday's opening range low and creating it on top of the end dog, which is a very strong signature in price. So price has traded up into EQ. That's perfect for us, and as you can see, the candle is closing respecting equilibrium. I'm just going very fast because we're pretty late, and this stream will be very short because I have Ramadan right now, and Ramadan Mubarak for everyone who's celebrating it. So yeah, let me so yeah, what we are looking for today is a draw. It's a draw lower towards 24,752 here. Okay, that's the level I'm looking for, and I'm looking for an inversion right now to enter following the analysis we provided. It would be very nice if they tap into this end dog here and then create it lower, but if they don't, still I will take it lower. Let's check for SMT with yes. SMT is very important, and let's check that. So let's go into 15-minute here, here. Okay, yeah, so far I don't see any SMT in the 5-time frame. There's SMT on the lows, but my bias is bearish, so I don't really care about it. It's not my big deal, like it's not a big problem for me. So what we want to see is a reversal here, and I utilize this to go lower. Basically, what I'll be trading is a one-to-one model. I will not on my futures account and on my CFDs as well. I'll not be trying to hold runners, but if you want to do so, feel free to do so. Let me just do something quickly. Visual trend down. Pretty late today. I'm trying my best, guys. I posted on Twitter as well. My Twitter link is in the description below if you want to check it out as well. But yeah. Okay, let's get modeling. 32, 500, 32 times 2, okay, that's 7. Okay. 78. 7, 8 minis here. So preparing my trade here, preparing my position sizing as well to be properly positioned in this price action here. Gotta lower your position size as well. But let's see. I'm preparing my CFD accounts as well. I'm trading both futures and CFDs, so okay, stop loss will be around 41 pips. 41. That's okay. So I'll be very over positioned here. Okay. Okay.
Order rejected.
What order? Oh my god, I was in the wrong chart. Okay. Wait, we're trading NQ instead of MNQ, which is not very good. Let's see. Okay, I pretty much missed this trade so far. Took it on the CFDs here. And we'll try to take it here if the price pulls back. Pretty much missed this trade because I wasn't paying attention to the charts. Being on NQ instead of MNQ, it's no big deal. Let's see. If we get a pullback to the open of the previous candle, I will enter. That's fine with me.
Order filled.
I put my buy stop here. Basically. Okay, perfect. That's our entry price. It's pretty much very late, but it's all good. I would have taken this trade anyways. This trade. Where's our TP? 24816.75. Okay. That's where there's a TP. Okay, perfect. Let's keep NQ on the charts now. And let's focus on this. I hope you can see my screen on Trader 8. Okay. It looks like it would be a loser. Starting the first stream as a loser. It's not a big deal. Let's see. There's no fear at all here. I'm not afraid of taking in losses or taking any trades. I have full confidence in my model, and I've tested it over and over again. I'm not afraid of losing or afraid of executing on the market when my model appears. I'm just practicing what I have. I'm like basically not feeling any emotions while trading. I'm trying to eliminate it as much as I can. Sometimes I get greedy. That's why I limited my wins to 1-to-1. I'm never satisfied with my exits. And sometimes I overtrade. But I've been trying to control that. Price has pulled back a lot. Let's put 8-hour stops here. Let's see. Most likely it will hit our stops. Most likely. Yep.
Stop field.
So I'm stopped out on CFDs and on futures. So we'll be waiting for the next sell opportunity and I'll go forward. It's not a big deal. Okay. Price pulling back higher. We're already at EQ. First setup failed. You can get this now. So in this eval, I'm not taking it very slow. I'm taking it very fast. I'm over risking on this eval just to pass it because I don't want to waste time on evals. That's why I'm risking that much on my trade. Because I've been trading for a long while with this model and I don't really care for evaluations. You shouldn't do this in the beginning of evaluations. You should be going slow and conservative, but I've been trading for a long while, so I don't really want to waste time on evals anymore. But yeah, so let's play some music. This stream started very late. I've almost forgot everything. Okay. I will get some copyright-free music going forward. With this stream, I will stick with no music till I get some copyright-free music. But yeah, it's great to be live on YouTube, guys. I just didn't expect the first trade to be a loser. But you know, you can't control the outcome. As long as you follow, I want to check the stream, but as long as you follow your system, you can't really control the outcome. Should just let it be, man. Yeah. Check my stream. Where's my stream? First trade to be a loser. Okay, that's perfect. Stream is running very smooth. I love it. I love it. Okay. So let's calculate risk for this setup again. How did this 10 open? Open high. This here. Pretty much. It's 2-minute inversion here as well, which is very nice. That's our stop loss, and it's very huge. And that's our 1-to-1. Okay. That's our 1-to-1. It's right at the low of this. Let's put on yesterday's first presentations, just to take a look where they are at. Yeah, I mean, so here, okay. Get back. I want to keep the chart as clean as possible, not to confuse you guys, and try to have clean charts as possible. But I only use 2 types of stop losses. It's either breakaway gaps or swing highs and swing lows. For example, this swing high here is my stop loss. Check ES here. 1 second. ES and Q. Okay. Okay. Let's just open the volume mixer. Control sound. MetaTrader. MetaTrader sound was so high. I don't know how to create that. I'll just do system. Okay. Okay. We're chilling. It's all good. Yes, it's going lower. Thank you as well. It's going lower. 2 minute hasn't created the inversion yet, which is what we are mostly looking for as well. This will confirm the order flow shift, and we'll go lower here towards these relative equal lows. Equilibrium. That's perfect. This is as well your macro inversion. That's your entry. What I like to do is, when there is consecutive CPs or PCs, I like to wait for the inversion of all of them. Let's just do this calculation quick. Okay. Pretty big stop loss to work with, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Macro's almost done. Let's keep this on top here. So trading basically is a waiting game most of the time. You wanna be waiting and waiting till the perfect opportunity appears, and then you can take your trade. But waiting is, and patience is the name of the game for me. Should develop this skill, and if you're not patient enough, you should start working on it. I see the SMT was this low, but it's not significant for me because it's against the order flow. So what we'll be waiting for is this inversion, and we'll enter on the closure below. So once we close below here, I will enter, and then I'll take my 1-to-1 here. Can even go further than a 1-to-1, slightly, just to cover costs, because most likely this day will end up as a break-even day. And as well, we gotta lower our size on CFDs. Consolidation isn't very nice. If we fail to break through this range, most likely I will not take a trade here, and until 1020 I'm not taking. After 1020 I'm not taking a trade as well. Just keeping this in mind, guys. Okay, I'm ready here. Oh, market is dumping already. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and where's the closure? Perfect.
Order filled.
We're in. Okay, and see if these you need. Targeting our 1-to-1 as well here. Stop here. Here. Just a little bit farther. Perfect. This should be my last trade for the day here, guys. I'm still looking for some markets to trade lower towards its relative equal lows and continue lower from this 4-hour SIBI here after retracing higher yesterday into equilibrium, as well on the daily into this SIBI from this suspension block. So we're looking for this to form. As well, we got the 2-minute inversion we mentioned. Very nice. Okay. Put this here just to cover costs, and that should be it. Targeting the open range low here for 1.54 hour. Where is your 1-to-1? Okay, let's put an alert here. It should be our last trade of the day here for us, guys. It's very nice that I said it would be a short stream, and 950 macro just gives us 2 trades right away. I wrote 1050 here. That's my bad, guys. You can see already the fasting effects. You can clearly see. Trades retracing higher. There's more. It's no big deal if we get 2 losers in one day. You know, we have done our best. And I've managed risk as much as I can on this evaluation here as well. Displacement against us. Where's your macro open? Let's just get this marked up. But you have the macro opening higher, going into this end dog manipulation above the macro opening price into relative equal highs. You got the 2-minute inversion following the higher time frame direction towards these lows, which is an A+ trade here. So I would take this trade 10 out of 10 times. I don't see a big deal. So if we get a loser again. It was nice. I'll take this trade again and again and again. I've posted tons of these trades on my Twitter account, like X, the past few days. If you want to check them out, I have my Twitter link in the description. I've been taking a lot of these trades, and I've dated like crazy amounts of them. I've calculated all of the variables, all the potential outcomes of trades I can with this model. That's why I trust it this much. So yeah, we can't control the outcome. All we can do is control our input, and my input here was correct. I looked at this macro opening higher into end dog, while hard time frame is bearish, and you have this strong continuation close lower, relative equal lows, as well previous day low here. So it's not a big deal. Nice, we can see volume coming in. Hopefully it's in our direction. Hopefully it keeps going lower. Checking my futures. See if these running smooths. See if these are running smooths. Okay, perfect. Perfect. I like this bearish volume. I wanna see this 5-minute candle flip now. And the next minute to this place lower or close bearish and then continue lower. Is it devil's mark here? Yo, my buddy. Habibi. So, yeah, we're sending this trade. مش عارف اعمل لك رياكت ازاي او ابعت لك اي حاجه ازاي. استنى. Oh yeah. I'm in this trade. Still vibing here. Thank you, brother. حبيبي يا اخويا. Still holding this trade on my 50k account and CFDs as well. No reason here to be afraid. Just don't like that the 5-minute didn't flip here. But I'm still holding my trade regardless. Reclaim the 2-minute as well. Still holding shorts. Thank you, brother. Okay, we're still holding the shorts here. It's running smooth. Just lower this a bit. Nothing I can do here. I'll just go break even once it tests macro opening price. Because at this point the inversion break even is very close. I can't really go PE on my inversion. Usually that's what I do on Twitter. But I won't go break even on inversion here. I'll go break even with tapping macro opening price and 930 here. Oh, yeah, 930 is there. So I'll go break even below 930, which is at our 1-to-1. It's most likely nothing to do here until we hit 1-to-1. Trade is running. No problems. I'll also edit this on CFDs. This sounds very... Oh, my bad, guys. Okay. Still holding this trade. I want to see price close below this high probability inversion, which most likely will send us lower to our next roadblock. Let's clean up this a bit. Just want to see cleaner charts here. This is much cleaner now. So I've taken this loss here, trying to short this inversion, didn't work out. Now we're shorting again with a fresh account. Also trading my CFDs. Trade has taken too long, which isn't ideal now. After it broke through this range, it should have continued lower, but now we're seeing price pullback, which isn't ideal as well. If we get above this high and above this high, most likely we're getting stopped out. He is doing. With SMT with ES here, which is very nice. If we continue lower, so if we go below this low now, I will trade my stops to this high. To continue lower. Today's stream will be a very short stream for two reasons: because of Ramadan and because of we're out of trades. I've taken my 2 trades in the first macro of the day. I was just lucky to see them. Sometimes I wait the whole day till the end of day, to get a trade, but today we got our first 2 trades very quick, which is very nice. Let's see. I've closed and below the macro inversion now. Once more. My main focus is this inversion here. I don't really care about our inversion anymore, because I've closed above it once, twice, 3 times, which is violating the 2 times rule for me. Basically, yo. Mohamed, if you are still in chat, can you hear me? Let's check the audio once more. minute if you are still in chat. Can you hear me? Okay, the audio is perfect. I'm very happy about this trading setup I made. It was very quick. Pull ring light. I don't have a mic. I'm using my headset as a mic, but it's very nice, very smooth. I like it, but I need to get better camera and better positioning. I hate this position. Like, you get this side profile of me. Looks like I don't know. It's weird, but yeah. Holding this trade and this trade on CFDs as well. Let's see. Last trade of the day. If we close below 930 here or at 1-to-1, I will basically move my stops to break even. I'm gonna post our losers and our winners, so I'll post both of them on Twitter as well. Okay. We're seeing some movement from NQ at the reversal time 10:30, which is very nice. If it continues lower, here is the reversal of the candle. Let's get it a bit closer to us. Okay, I know. Yeah, there we go. Nothing we can do here, guys. And this B level here is very close to the entry, which will kill the potential of the trade. I don't like this. I'll go break even below here, or if we see volume below, macro open here. Because technically I go BE below either swing lows, swing highs, like this swing low here, or below macro or below high probability inversions as roadblocks like this one. But this one is very close to our entry, so I don't really like it. It's not giving room for the trade to breathe. But yeah, I'm trailing my stop now. Lower to the highs we said we will trail to. Right here. So now that's our stop, it's trailed. If we get stopped out, see if this the problem is spreads. So yeah, futures as well. Right a bit. Yeah, perfect. Okay, very close.
Stop
we're
filled.
stopped out. I'll close my CFD trade as well. Okay, I'm closing my chart there on CFD. Let's exit all positions here so I don't have any limits running. Okay, perfect. So today we managed to follow our system correctly. I've taken 2 losses in a row. Okay, let's just mark this out. Nice. Control. Stop. Just for the image. And then That was second entry. This is a loser. As well, targeting. So 2 losing trades in the stream. Tried my best here today, but I wasn't lucky enough. It's no big deal. Hope you enjoyed today's stream, and we'll be there again tomorrow. I will try to keep the streams on the AM session because I love trading the AM session as much as I can. But the problem is I have work, so most of the time I'm at work during AM session, but I'll try to be there as quick as possible to stream the AM session. So most likely we'll be streaming 950, 1050, and 1150 macros on the stream every day going forward. Today we took 2 losses, but it's no big deal. We have a proven system, and I'm following my system, following my rules. I didn't take any trades out of impulses, which is the most important thing for me. I've been trying to control, so I'm very proud of myself today, regardless of the outcome. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's stream, and tomorrow's stream I will include music as well. I have to put in music because this stream was not the best, I know, but we will keep improving as we go together, and I will prove this camera position as well. And yeah, guys, that's it. See you on another one. Peace out.